Hey everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tayla and I am a full-time graphic designer. So I was wanting to start off by doing a simple tutorial on how to convert any logo into one solid color. Now I've been watching a few tutorials just to see how they are explained, and I found that a lot of them take a really long time to get to the point. So I'm going to try keep this short and sweet to help you guys out a bit. So as you can see, this is just a quick logo I put together to use as an example. So once you've opened up your file into Photoshop, you can head on over to the layers panel. As you can see, there is one layer selected. You double click on the layer when it does work. There we go, it was a little slow. And then you will see color overlay. You click on that plus sign, and as you can see, it turns it blue. Now you can double click on this box or just simply click once, and you can change it to any color you desire. Let's go with a bright red that we probably would not use anyway, but just to get to the point. And you hit OK, and as you can see, it is one solid color. And if you need to change it again, I'll repeat it. You go to the layers panel, you double click on the layer, you wait for it to open, you click on color overlay, you click on the box for the color, and you select your desired color. It is as simple as 1, 2, 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I'll be back for more. Bye.